Hi, my name is Stacey and I'm a physician assistant here at Skin by Lovely. Today I'm going to treat this patient with Dysport in her frown, forehead, and crow's feet. A lot of times patients come in and they ask to have these areas treated, but they are very worried that their brows will be heavy or have sagging and not lifted. So I'm going to show you the areas of the face that can help avoid the saggy or heaviness of the brow. So looking at this patient's face here, the areas that can actually cause a little bit of heaviness is if you just do, for instance, the forehead by itself. So either using Botox, Dysport, Xeomin. Today we're going to use Dysport on her, but if you do a lot in the forehead, because that's your lifting muscle, go ahead and lift up for me like you're surprised, and you relax it. Imagine relaxing that muscle, not being able to lift up. It's going to make that a little bit heavy. So it's really important to treat the frown as well, which is between the brows and along the brow line, to actually give you some lift and openness to oppose that muscle that can cause heaviness if you relax it. So today we're going to do a little bit of Dysport along her frown to actually open and lift her muscles here, along with doing her forehead. That can bring it down a tiny bit to smooth the lines, but won't change her brow line or cause heaviness or any type of sagging, because we are going to open her up here. The crow's feet, go ahead and smile for me for the crow's feet. So that's a circular muscle that goes around the brow. That can also help lift the brow area, especially if you have heaviness in the lids. At the tail end here, if you put a little bit of Dysport or Botox, that will open the brow as well. So this whole muscle will open. So when you smile, you won't have as many crow's feet lines, and you can get a little tail end lift of your brow. So again, treating the frown area won't cause heaviness or sagginess, which some patients think because it's injections around their brows. It actually will lift and open that brow because it's a muscle that pulls down already. So when you relax it, it does the opposite. Forehead, again, if you do too much just in the forehead, can cause a little bit of heaviness. Not a true side effect of eyelid ptosis where you have a saggy lid, but just some heaviness. So it's important to do, to treat with balance so there's harmony between both these muscles. And then last, again, you can lift at the corner of the brow here to cause a little bit more lift and open up the brows even more. So if you have any questions, please feel free to come in for a consult at Skin by Lovely.